Hey guys, just want to give a update on my channel. In about a month, this channel is probably going to be in a little bit of a hiatus because, as I told you guys, I'm filming my weight loss documentary. And basically, the food that I'm eating, me going to the park and all that stuff and vlogging me working out, you know, I can't put it on this channel because whenever I put something else on this channel, people complain like, well, oh, you've done it now, you know, big mistake. Why? Like the other day, I had a mukbang video and someone's going to comment and say, you're doing mukbang now, big mistake. Then they went on a vlog video and said, oh, why are you vlogging? You're supposed to be cooking. So apparently y'all don't like when I put my business on this channel. So I have a weight loss channel where I'm probably going to do like show you guys my vlogs where I'm walking, working out, the foods that I'm actually eating. You know, that's another mistake. People think that everything that's on my channel over here that I'm actually eating. I've been working on my weight. So I'm going to be posting it there. The link will be down below. However, there will be videos over here, just not as often. And because, you know, I do still have a family to cook for, or if I cook for an event, or if I cook for anyone, I'll probably put it over here instead of the weight loss channel, because like I said, I want to keep it specifically on healthy eating, health, and, you know, skincare, my vlogs, me walking, working out, the journey pretty much. Yeah, so that's basically what I wanted to tell you guys, just in case you see a change and you're like, what happened to her? Nothing happened to me. I've just been working on myself, and I wanted to put it all over here, but you guys complain too much and I don't have time for it because it's been so much dragging I could do. And I don't feel like cursing people out. I don't feel like constantly blocking people. It's draining. It's annoying. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of that stuff on that channel. I already have some people that were on my channel that's already over there. Yeah, so you can subscribe to that if you care to do so. If you're not trying to lose weight, that's fine. You can stay over here. There'll still be videos over here, just not as often. Maybe once, I don't know, once a week, once every 2 weeks. And the more business I get, that's when more videos will be on this channel. So you don't have to worry either way. I'm not shutting it down. I'm not trying to make a channel to have more subscribers. I'm just telling you the straight facts. I know you guys do not want to see me walking in the park, working out, or doing all those things on this channel. So, and instead of me having to deal with the noise, yeah, as I was saying, instead of me having to deal with the noise and people being aggravated or whatever, I'm going to just put it on that channel. Yeah, so hopefully you guys will subscribe. If not, that's totally fine. Like I said, recipes are still gonna be here, just much less. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time.